So let's take a look at what we are going to be expecting for the day on our gold. If you are yet to subscribe and you have not done that yet, make sure you do well to click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like, share, make your comments, and also follow the Telegram channel so you will not miss out on any single updates we are going to be putting for you guys there. The link to the Telegram be in the comment section. So once you subscribe, also click on the bell notification. Now let's see what we are going to be expecting for the day on our gold. You know, yesterday we did analysis for gold. Gold was around this level. I told you guys clearly that gold will give us a bullish move and push up. Right? If you have not watched it, you can go back to watch it to confirm. Gold eventually gave us a bullish move that we predicted it, right? We predicted this bullish move and gold gave us that move, right? We said that we will be going bullish on gold. Thereby, gold will push up from this level where we are to push up to form a new high, thereby taking out this high, right? Gold did that. Now, why do we expect that movement? Is that when you take a look at your forward time frame, you see something like this, your first high, and this is your higher low. Gold was able to push up again to form a new higher high, and here is the higher low. Gold eventually was able to push up one more time to form a new higher high, right? And here comes the higher low. Then gold push up one more time again. It first push up to form an equal high, and this is our higher low. Gold was able to now push up one more time to form a new high. You can see this bullish move is what we were expecting and gold to play out, which it has done that right now. Expect a little bit of a pullback and one more push up. So now, guys, we should be expecting this pullback to a level of 5141. That is the level we should be expecting gold to pull back to, a level of 5141. So if gold can now drop to a level of 5141 or below the level, we can now start looking for a buy setup on gold that will eventually push this price up. So if you are a swing trader or you're a position trader, you can still go in for the buy and hold your buy. If you're a day trader, wait for your pullback before you go in for the buy. So more updates will be covered on this for you guys. So subscribe and click on the bell notification. You can also follow the Telegram channel to stay updated. The link to the Telegram will be in the comment section.